Nobody warned us about Las Palmas, the beaches, the food, or the tiny surprises waiting when you step off the ship. Some travelers mention pickpockets, but as you'll see, this city is far safer and more welcoming than many expect. You'll discover a safe loop that covers the beach, old town, and hidden spots most cruisers miss. Stick around for the simple safety tips that make this port totally stress-free, plus the local food you absolutely can't leave without trying. I'm Charlie from Travel Day Trip Ideas, where we help you explore cruise ports like a local, not a tourist. Today, we're covering Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, and this place delivers far more than most passengers expect. When you step off the ship at Puerto de la Luz, everything is remarkably close. The cruise terminal sits right next to El Muelle shopping center. Literally a 2-minute walk with cafes, a supermarket, clean bathrooms, and a pharmacy. But don't linger here. The real Las Palmas starts just beyond this convenient hub. Walk through Santa Catalina Park, and you'll immediately notice the relaxed atmosphere. Palm trees line the pathways, locals enjoy outdoor cafes, and the temperature is comfortable year-round. It's about a 10-minute walk from the ship to Las Canteras Beach on flat, well-marked paths that make navigation simple. You'll pass the Elder Museum of Science and Technology if you're interested in a quick cultural stop, though most visitors head straight for the beach. Now, about those pickpocket warnings. Yes, they exist, and you should stay aware. Keep your bag zipped, and in front of you, don't leave phones on cafe tables, and stay alert in crowded areas like buses or markets. Las Palmas gets a disproportionate bad reputation online because warnings get repeated without context. With basic awareness, you'll navigate this port with complete confidence. Las Canteras Beach is where you'll want to spend your morning. 3 kilometers of golden sand stretch along a promenade lined with cafes and ice cream shops, protected by a natural reef called La Barra. This reef creates a calm, shallow lagoon that's perfect for swimming, and you can snorkel near the reef to see tropical fish just meters from shore. The beach is genuinely beautiful and completely free to enjoy. Beachfront cafes like Cafeteria Playa Chica offer tables with ocean views where you can enjoy strong coffee and fresh pastries. The atmosphere is relaxed and authentic. This is where locals actually spend their time, not just a tourist beach. You'll see families in the shallow water, surfers beyond the reef, and joggers along the promenade. No beach club fees, no aggressive vendors, just excellent beach culture. After enjoying the beach, head toward Vegueta, the historic old town. A taxi costs about 8 to 10 euros, but the city bus is an excellent budget option at just 1 to 2 euros per person. The bus drops you near the cathedral in about 10 minutes. Keep your belongings secure on public transport just as you would anywhere in the world, and you'll have no issues. The bus system is straightforward and drivers are accustomed to helping tourists with directions. Vegueta transports you back centuries with its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture. Buildings painted in soft yellows and blues line shady plazas where locals gather throughout the day. This is the historic heart of Las Palmas, founded in 1478, making it one of the oldest European settlements in the Atlantic. The neighborhood survived the devastating 1599 pirate attack and retains much of its original character. The Cathedral of Santa Ana dominates the main square with its twin towers. Inside, you'll find a beautiful blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and neoclassical architecture that's both peaceful and impressive. Construction began in 1497 and continued for over 4 centuries, which explains the mix of architectural styles. You can climb one of the towers for panoramic views of the old town if you have extra time and energy. Just around the corner, Casa de Colón showcases the island's connection to Christopher Columbus and the Age of Exploration. The building features stunning wooden balconies and a tranquil courtyard worth exploring for about 20 minutes. Columbus stopped in Las Palmas in 1492 during his first voyage to the Americas, and the museum documents this connection alongside exhibits about Canarian history and pre-Hispanic culture. The Mercado de Vegueta gives you an authentic taste of Canarian daily life. Vendors sell fresh fish, tropical fruits, local cheeses and cured meats in a vibrant, colourful setting. Pick up local almonds or chat with vendors who will happily recommend nearby lunch spots. They'll almost certainly suggest trying papas arrugadas, and you should take that advice. The market operates Monday through Saturday mornings, so plan accordingly if you're visiting on a Sunday. Explore the narrow side streets off Calle de los Balcones for authentic neighbourhood atmosphere. These quiet corners feel genuinely local and offer excellent photo opportunities. You'll find small shops selling traditional crafts, local art galleries, and family-run businesses that have operated for generations. It's the kind of discovery that makes independent exploration worthwhile. Find a small tapas bar near the main square and order papas arrugadas, wrinkled potatoes with mojo sauce, alongside fresh grilled fish. The mojo comes in two versions, spicy red and garlicky green, both excellent. The fish is remarkably fresh, and the entire meal costs less than 20 euros. This is authentic Canarian cuisine at its best, the kind of experience you'll remember long after the cruise ends. Don't skip the local wine either. Gran Canaria produces some excellent varieties that pair perfectly with the seafood. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. First, spending all your time in the port shopping centre when the real Las Palmas is minutes away. Second, not bringing a reusable water bottle. The sun is strong and hydration matters. Third, skipping Vegueta because you assume it's too far when a quick bus or taxi makes it completely accessible and absolutely worth visiting. After lunch, explore more of the old town with stops at Plaza de Santa Ana and small art galleries tucked into side streets. The pace is unhurried and you'll discover corners most cruise passengers never see. Look for the Gabinete Literario in the Triana district, a beautiful cultural centre with ornate architecture that's worth a quick visit. Cross into Triana for a different atmosphere, more modern shopping streets with boutiques and street musicians playing Spanish guitar on pedestrian corners. By early afternoon, make your way back toward the ship. Stop at a cafe along the Las Canteras promenade for one last coffee and a slice of bien masabe, a traditional Canarian dessert made with almonds, honey and lemon. It's sweet, rich and the perfect ending to your port day. Order fresh orange juice and enjoy watching the beach scene one final time before heading back. The walk back to the port takes you through Santa Catalina Park again. If you have time, the park itself is worth a brief stroll with its dragon trees and peaceful green spaces. Las Palmas deserves far more credit than it receives. Yes, stay aware of your surroundings and keep belongings secure. But with simple common sense habits, this port is safe, beautiful, and full of authentic experiences. The warnings online don't reflect the reality of a well-planned visit. As you approach the ship, Santa Catalina comes alive with street performers, families on benches, and couples enjoying ice cream. The energy is warm and welcoming, not threatening or uncomfortable. This is the Las Palmas most cruise passengers never discover. Vibrant, easy to navigate, and genuinely enjoyable to explore independently. You'll likely pass other cruisers heading out for late afternoon excursions, but you've already experienced the best this port has to offer. Here's the bottom line. Las Palmas gets more warnings than it deserves. Stay aware, keep your belongings secure, and you'll have one of your best cruise days. Don't let exaggerated fears keep you from exploring this incredible island. The beaches are world-class, the food is authentic, and the atmosphere is friendly. You'll leave feeling like you've discovered something genuinely special that most passengers miss by staying close to the ship or booking expensive excursions. If you want to explore Gran Canaria with a local guide, check the link in the description for our recommended tours. These operators know the island thoroughly and can show you hidden gems beyond what's possible on a self-guided day. They understand cruise schedules and will get you back to the ship with time to spare. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Day Trip Ideas for more honest, practical cruise port advice. Which part of Las Palmas are you most excited to explore? The beach, the old town, or the local food? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next port. This is the Las Palmas nobody warned us about. Warm, easy, and unforgettable.